Hi, welcome to simplest way of cooking. Today we're gonna make the honey cornbread muffin. First we're gonna start with 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of white flour, half a cup of sugar. And here we have 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna just mix everything together. Okay, and now we're gonna use another bowl. Just crack 2 eggs and half a cup of butter. You have to melt the butter. Just leave it inside the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, 1 cup of milk. Okay, then this is the 1/4 cup of honey. And now we're just gonna mix everything together. Okay, now it's ready. Now we're going to use the muffin pan and cover the paper liner and just use the ice cream scoop. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to leave it inside the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, we're going to take them out. And now just leave it for like 10 minutes because it's right now it's really hot. After 10 minutes, we're just going to show you one of the muffins. Welcome back. After 10 minutes, they're a little bit cooler. We're just gonna show you how they came out. And they're sweet and delicious. Then this is the honey cornbread muffin. Okay, and thank you for watching. If you like this episode, please subscribe. Thank you very much.